We are at number 20 in the Eck, right below the Eck Road, and we've got one dog out, Ginger, and she has pointed.
I want to see if she'll do something that's phenomenal. Hello, hey Ginger. Come, Ginger. Help. Come, Ginger. Help. Help. Ginger, come. Ginger, come.
Yep.
Hey, my fault, said I want you to take me back. They didn't get up, eh?
Yep.
I thought we did. Okay, let's go.
Oh, not all of them. Not all of them.
Easy.
What we just saw was Ginger pointing and leaving and coming back and getting the coach and taking him back to the birds. Unbelievable.
Okay,
I don't believe all of them got up. I don't believe all of them got up. There was a big covenant here. Only part of them got up.
Good girl, Ginger. Good girl. That's the third time she's done that. The other two times I didn't call her because I didn't know where she was. She just came and got me to the. Good girl, Ginger. Okay.
She still says there's birds here.